Hi, my name is Ruru. Refrigerator. Many people enjoy inventing things. Many inventions have changed the course of history. What do you think is the most important invention? Personally, I think refrigerator is the most important invention. I have two reasons for that. First, refrigerator can store food for a long time. I don't need to buy food often. Also, I don't waste food. I can save money and time. Second, refrigerator stores many kinds of food. Refrigerator has separate rooms, so it can store different food. For example, it stores ice cream, fish, milk, and fruit. Thank you.